Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I post new videos every week. Please subscribe, like, comment on my videos. To cut your flounce, your shoulder ruffle flounce, you're going to take your round shoulder measurements. You're going to cut it, and the round shoulder measurement I'm working with is 42. The round shoulder measurement I'm working with is 42, and 42 for this blouse, I'm going to cut 4 times 4 of it. For the shoulder flounce, I'm going to cut 4 of it. That is 42 times 4. So for my flounce, the length is going to be 168. The length is going to be 168. That is the length I'm going to cut. Then for the width, that is the length I'm going to use. 168 in length. Then to take the measurement of the flounce, the ruffle, I will be using 12 inches. I'll be using 12 inches, and it's going to be on fold. 12 inches on fold. Let me cut and show you. After cutting your desired length, take it to your machine, stitch the end part of it. After cutting the desired length, stitch the end part of it, so that when you turn it, it should be like this. When you turn it, the edge will be like this. The end part of your ruffle will be like this, closed. Then is either you use your machine to gather it to your round shoulder. The round shoulder I'm working with is 42. So I'm going to gather these things to size 42. I'm going to gather it to be 42. You can use your hand needle and gather, or use your machine and gather to your desired length. Let me gather it and show you. To make it easier for me, I'm going to use my hand needle. Make sure that this place is covered. You have sewed this place down. Then I'm going to use my hand needle to gather it. Gather it to my desired shoulder measurements. I'll continue doing it until I get 42. I gather up to 42 of my round shoulder measurements. You can as well do it using your machine. So this is what I'll continue doing. until I gather all of the pieces together. And when you pull your needle, can you see it's forming already? It's forming already. And this is what I will continue doing. It's formed already. This is what I will continue doing till the end. So after gathering it, make sure you use your weaving machine to weave out the edges. After gathering it, see what I have. You see it's formed already. You see it's formed already. Now gather it to your round shoulder. I've gathered it to the round shoulder I'm working with is 42. I've gathered it. Can you see how lovely it is? Can you see? Can you see how lovely it is? Now I'm going to show you how to attach it to your off shoulder. I will show you how to attach it to your off shoulder. To attach the ruffle, get the middle of your ruffle. Get the middle of your ruffle and notch it. Make sure you notch. I'll notch the middle. Now also get the middle of this place. I'll get the middle and I will start attaching. You attach from the back so that when you flip it, you attach from the back. You attach from the back so that you can flip it to the front. You attach to the back, then flip to the front. Let me attach it. I'll attach it this way. I'll attach it this way. I'll pin it down. To attach it, make sure you attach it from the back side. This is the front side of the fabric. You're going to attach from the back so that you can flip it over. You attach it down. When you get to the sleeve, you attach it on the upper sleeve. You attach it. You attach it. Keep going until you get to the zip side. When you get to the zip side, you attach it and turn. You have closed this place. I told you to close up this place so that when you turn it, it's going to be neat. Let me do it and show you. And after stitching, this is what I have on the mannequin. If you want your own to be smaller, if you want the ruffles to be smaller, that means you have to reduce what you are going to gather. You are going to reduce the length. If you want the ruffles to be smaller, see what I have here. See how full it is. If you want it to be smaller, gather it to be small. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.